You have to be a buyer. The boxes were checked. And that's why this market's now rallying like crazy. And if it pulls back, you have to be a buyer, not a seller of companies that have performed remarkably well here. If Herbert Hoover in a pantsuit, aka German Chancellor Angela Merkel, actually does go along with Italy and France and Mario Draghi from the European Central Bank and begins to borrow money to grow our economy, then I think we have something special happening here.
Do you think BlackBerry would be a good long-term investment?
No, if you want a long-term investment, let's just go with Apple. Let's go with best of breed, average rising price for the phones, really pretty good numbers with the PCs, very inexpensive stock with iPay. Let's not outthink these things. I like Chubb very much, but I've got to tell you, I felt that Travelers really delivered today. I don't like to overthink it. Sometimes companies, or high-quality companies, are just doing a good thing.
Should I buy more Pfizer, or would my money be better invested in Texas Instruments?
Well, I don't want to snub the Pfizer, but I got to give it a snub here because I think that I like Texas Instruments much more than Pfizer.
Home Depot.
Yeah, Home Depot. It's Stephanie Lincoln. I Pat. She's the co-portfolio manager of ActionAlertsPlus.com with me. We were batting this around. Do we pull the trigger? Do we pull the trigger? Do we pull the trigger? Well, you know what? Others did. It was right. Buy. Goes to 100. Yahoo is back. And those who doubted Yahoo, you know what? You just missed the Yahoo train.